Hello guys. Okay, this is approximation and estimation part 10. Okay, so to buttress multiplication and division of decimals, okay, we are solving this example without using calculator. Okay, just to explain how to multiply decimal again, also how to divide at the same time, and also convert to two decimal places, simplify to two decimal places, 0.35 times 1.6 over 0.06. Okay, so we have let's say we have a solution here. So what's the first step in multiplication under part 9? What did I say? Multiply usually first without using calculator. Multiply normally for the numerator. This is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, multiply normally. So what do I need to do? Step one is multiply normally. Okay, so that's 35 times what? Times 16. Okay, multiply normally. Step 1, 35 times 16. 6 times 5, 30. Carry 3. Okay, 6 times 3, 18 plus 3. That's what? 21. 1 times 5. Okay, 1 times 3. That's 0. You had plus 0, 6. And what do you have here? You have 5. So for the numerator, the answer is what? 560. Okay, for the numerator, the answer is what? 560 when you multiply normally. So the next thing you need to do is now count the number of decimal places that we have in the numerator. Number of decimal places, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So what you now do, you now count 1, 2, 3. So it means, therefore, your answer will be what? 0.560. That is it. So you've counted 1, 2, 3. You now count 1, 2, 3. So it means you put your point in front of it, put 0. So it means that when you multiply this together using your calculator, so you will be getting 0.560. Okay, so divided by 0.006. So now for the numerator, it means that you now have, okay, let me just put it beside. Let me put it beside. It means that you will now have 0.56. That implies 0.56 divided by 0.06. Okay, that is it. So after you've done your numerator, which is step 1, and this one is what? Step 2. You have your step 2 here. Okay, from part 9. So you've done your numerator. So it means that your numerator, which is 0.560, okay, 0.560 divided by 0.06. So before you divide, what is the condition? Convert to fraction. So it means that this implies that you can have 560 divided by 1000. You are moving the point 3 times. Okay, you are moving the point 3 times divided by, so it means that how many times are you moving the point at the denominator? You are moving the point 2 times. Okay, this is divided by, so it's as simple as that. So you are moving the point 2 times. That's divided by 6 over 100. Divided by 6 over 100. So what do we do? I've told you to change it to multiplication. What do we need to do? So it means that we'll change denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So which means that at the end of the day, this one will now be 560 over 1000 times 100 over 6. It's as simple as that. So 0, it means that I can use 0, can cancel 0 there. 0 will cancel 0, 0 will cancel 0. Okay, then 0 will cancel what? 0. So manually, you are doing this without using calculator. So we have 2 here, 3, 2 here, 2, 2 in 16, that's what? 8. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16. So it means that at the end of the day, therefore, you will now be having 28 over what? Over 3. So if you want to have 28 over 3, at the end of the day, you can say, okay, 7 times 3 is what? 21. Okay, so 7 times 3, 21. 8 times 3, 24. So 24. 24 plus another, so it means I can have 9. 9 times 3 is what? 27. It will remain 1. So 9 times 3 is what? 27. So it means you will have 28 divided by 3 for your calculation. You have 28 divided by 3 as the final answer after doing your division. 28 divided by 3. Okay, so you cancel your 0 out first. 0, 0 cancel out everything. You cancel it out. Then you look for a number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator. 2 can divide 6. It will give you 3. Okay, 2 can go in 56. It will give you what? 28. So it means 28 divided by 3. 9 times 3 is what? 27. It will remain 1. So 3 cannot go in 1. Okay, then you had 0. So if you had 0 to it, you will get 9.333, like that. Okay, that is the answer you'll be getting. And don't forget, okay, 9.3333. Don't forget, the question says simplify to 2 decimal place. You are having 3 questions in one. First, you are doing multiplication of decimal. Second, you are doing division of decimal. Third, you are also converting to 2 decimal place. Very important. Don't miss it. Okay, so converting this to 2 decimal place, I've told you, after decimal, you count to 1, 2. What is the next figure after that 2? Is 3. Is it up to 5? No, it's not up to 5 or greater than 5. So it means we cannot approximate 1 to the previous figure. Okay, so look at this now. 1, 2. What's the next figure? Is 3. It's not up to 5 and it's not greater than 5. So we can approximate 1 to this figure here, to the previous figure. So it means that at the end of the day, that implies you have your what? 9 point what? 3, 3 to what? To decimal place. It's as simple as that. So that is your final answer. Okay, so that's your final answer. Please, this is very simple. I just have to use this part to explain, to also buttress on multiplication and division, and also emphasize on what decimal places. So it's as simple as this. So please continue to follow us on our Facebook. You are going through our Facebook, you are also gaining from it. Like, share, so that we can reach a lot of students, a lot of young minds. Okay, as you're viewing, you're also sharing, you're also liking, you're also commenting. Okay, so that we can reach a lot of young minds across board, so that at the end of the day, everybody can benefit from it. Follow us on our Instagram, on our TikTok, on our Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.